జై శ్రీమన్నారాయణ. కిష్కింధాకాండ. When Kartika Masam comes, just before Kartika Masam, that means in the end of Asvija Masam, you have to make all preparations with all your army to kill Ravana. O Sugriva, now you go to your Kishkindha, Abhishiktaha Swarajyecha Suhrudaha Sampraharshaya. You get Pattabhishekam done to Kishkindha and you live there. You spend your time with all your friends and relatives happily. Like that, when Ramachandra Swami said, Sugriva left from there and entered into Kishkindha. In Kishkindha, all the Vanaras, Abhivadya Pravishtani, they all did Namaskaram to Sugriva. All the Vanaras, they did touched their head to earth and doing Namaskaram to Sugriva. Sugriva also treated and greeted all the Vanaras very well, and Sugriva greeted Tara also very well. Then all the Vanaras started making preparations for Sugriva Pattabhishekam. Purohitas came. They are doing yajna. And they all the Vanaras arranged beautiful Simhasanam and had Sugriva sit in that Simhasanam while facing east. Some of the Vanaras went to all sort of divine sacred rivers and oceans and brought Nadinada Jalam, Samudra Jalam in golden bowls and golden kalasas. Great leaders of Vanaras like Gaja, Gavaksha, Gavaya, Sarabha, Gandha, Madana, Mainda, Dvivida, Hanuma, Jambavan, Nala, all these great leaders, Shastra Drushtena, Vidhina, Maharshi Vihitena cha, they did Pattabhishekam to Sugriva, Abhyashinchanta Sugrivam, Prasannena, Sugandhina, with all beautiful fragranceful waters. All these great leaders did Pattabhishekam to Sugriva according to Kalpa Suktam. Then entire Kishkinda started making happy noise, joyful noise. They are making Jaya Jayadvanas. After that, Sugriva, he remembered Rama's orders and he called on Angada. Then Angadam Samparishvajya, Sugriva gave a hug to Angada and did Yavarajya Pattabhishekam to Angada. Everyone started appreciating Sugriva for doing that. And now after that Pattabhishekam is done, all the Vanaras, including Sugriva, Ramanchaiva Mahatmanam, Lakshmanancha Punah Punaha, they all started remembering Rama Lakshmana and doing Namaskaram within their thoughts. Sugriva Pattabhishekam is successfully done. Also Angada Yavarajya Pattabhishekam is also done. Now in Kishkindha, everyone is remembering Rama and Lakshmana, and in their thoughts they are doing Namaskaram to Rama Lakshmana. After the Pattabhishekam is done, Sugriva came to Sri Ramachandra Swami, did Namaskaram and saying that Nivedya Ramaya Tada Mahatmane Mahabhishekam Kapivahini Patihi. Sugriva said to Sri Ramachandra Swami that I got my Pattabhishekam done. And how Pattabhishekam also is done, he described everything to Sri Ramachandra Swami. Then Sugriva went back and along with his wife Ruma, he started ruling the kingdom very well. After that, Rama Lakshmana from that place, Ajagama Sahabhratra Ramaha Prasravanam Girim. They reached Prasravana, the mountain. And that mountain is in the dense forest which is filled up with so many trees and so many animals. That Prasravana Parvatam, the mountain, there is one den on the top of that mountain. Rama Lakshmana found that guha, that den, and Rama saying to Lakshmana that, "Oh Lakshmana, this den seems to be very wide and very spacious, and I like this place. This is very beautiful place. Asyam Vasava Saumitre Varsharatram Arindama." Oh Lakshmana, this entire rainy season, let us live here. While meditating upon Sri Sita Ramachandra Swami, let us sing the glory of Sri Sita Ramachandra Swami. Rama Rama Dasaratha Rama, Rama Rama Dasaratha Rama, He He Raja Rama, He He Raja Rama, He He Sita Rama, He He Sita Rama. Jai Sriman Narayana. A special request to all devotees. In all things in our life, we want immediate and effective results. To achieve this, let us spend 1 minute daily and read Narayanastram. In order to obtain Narayanastram, go to Narayanastram website, which is www.narayanastram.org, and provide your name and email in the registration. You will receive a Narayanastram PDF to the email you provided. In the PDF, there is a Ramayana Sloka, a Gita Sloka, and a Vishnu Namam. The three of these put together is called Narayanastram. Everyone receives a different combination of these slokas. When everyone reads to their Narayanastram daily, along with 24,000 devotees, one round of Sampurna Ramayana Parayana, 33 rounds of Srimad Bhagavad Gita Parayana, 24 rounds of Sri Vishnu Sahasranama Stotra Parayana is completed every day. This is such a remarkable and extraordinary outcome that comes out of doing this every single day. That's why you and your family members immediately go and obtain your Narayanastram. Jai Sriman Narayana. As an essence of entire Bhagavad Gita in 18th chapter from 65th to 69th sloka, Sri Krishna Paramatma strongly recommending all of us to do 8 things. Krishna Paramatma saying that if we do those 8 things, we will become His most beloved devotees, and then He will liberate all of us from all kind of sins. That is why every day let us respond back to Sri Krishna Paramatma like this. O Sriman Narayana, as you said, I shall keep on thinking about you. O Sriman Narayana, as you said, I shall become your devotee. O Sriman Narayana, as you said, I shall keep on performing all my activities as your service. O Sriman Narayana, as you said, I shall keep on remembering the fact that I am your belonging, and I shall keep doing namaskaram to you. O Sriman Narayana, as you said, I shall surrender to you alone unconditionally. O Sriman Narayana, as you said, I shall not grieve anymore. O Sriman Narayana, as you said, I shall keep on remembering your teachings every day by reading at least one Gita sloka. O Sriman Narayana, as you said, I shall keep on spreading Srimad Bhagavad Gita among all the devotees. O Sriman Narayana, I shall do as you say. I shall behave as you like. I shall keep on working for you. Karishye vachanam tava. Sarvam Shri Krishnarpanamastu. Jai Sriman Narayana.